I like fries.
It's in reverse. Ew, jet ski party. Look at that jet ski party.
You're never gonna be ready for me.
Ryan, are you ready for the 60 miles an hour body fest?
I'm going to die.
Yes, you are. Guys, I cannot promise safety.
Adam, if you knock me off, I'm gonna turn into a mermaid seal thing. And I'll be all fat. And then I'll sit on you, because I'm fat.
You're gonna be a merloin.
A merboy?
A merloin.
What's a merloin?
Or you could be a selkie.
What's a selkie?
A selkie is like a person.
Selkie!
They're actually like seals, and they shed their skin by peeling it off, and then they walk out as a human. And then their skin is just a dead seal. So you're a selkie.
That's awesome!
Or you could be a merlion. The top half is a lion, and the bottom half is a fisher.
And then they eat their dead skins like lizards do. Like, nom nom nom, I eat your seal.
Hey, get ready, get ready.
Hey, Ryan, hang on tight, brother. 5, 4, 3,
Let's do this!
1.
Don't drop that, don't I don't want to fall, that's gonna hurt. Oh dear. I believe I had made many mistakes.
Heaven has opened up for us.
God, oh my God. He's already getting ready for our passage to death.
I get on the building.
Adam, drive less slow and fasting. Drive less fast. No. No, 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 no. I don't like a bump. The bump is good.
This honey bugs me off. Let's not do that.
I'm not going to bust you off. But you better hold on tight anyway.
I sat on my balls again. What is bouncing on my balls? I'm killing my future baby. Shut up, Adam. I like waving fun times. I want to be Patrick. I splashed you, and now you're wet. You're wet. Ah! You just made me bounce on my balls like 5 times. I don't like waving fun times. Makes my balls hurt. Waving fun times. Waving fun times. I like big alive. I like big alive.
Wavy fun time.
I like that.
Wow. Oh, that wasn't so bad. All right. Okay. German's time.
Don't drop the duck, the duck. Don't drop the duck, the duck. Don't drop the duck, the duck. Now we're all going to Paris and I will going to die and I don't like dying.
Start it up, babe.
Get your hands off of there, boy. I'm in charge.
I thought you were freaking out and expecting me.
I don't know how other white comes.
Alright, are y'all ready?
Got it, Johnny! Ah, don't cut it, don't forget! Ah! Entertainment, fun service! Ah! What a fun time! At least she's not gassing us!
Don't.
Adam!
Yes.
At least she's not gassing us!
Ryan, hang on tight.